Hello guys, welcome to my channel Why Succeed, and this is Lucky X-Men today, here to teach you about your Seki footage. Right, I'm gonna show you today about how to fix your Seki footage in Premiere Pro 2020. Alright, before showing anything guys, I'm gonna show you intro and I'm gonna come back. Alright guys, welcome back after the intro, and let's do it and let's show you about before the effect and after the effect. I'm gonna play this video and I'm gonna watch and tell me what's the difference. Okay, I'm gonna show you this footage first, which is raw with no effect on it. This is a video I've shot with my hand. This is a waiting video. Alright guys, this is a waiting video I've shot with my hand. I'm gonna play it again. Alright, this is a footage. Look how sick it is. Alright, and this is the footage, same footage I've applied the stabilization effect. I'm gonna show you later. Alright, I'm gonna show you, but before that I'm gonna show you what's the difference. Right, watch again. It is much smoother, much better. Right, everyone can afford to buy a gimbal, so if you don't have a gimbal, don't worry, there is something on the Premiere Pro you can always apply and make your shaky footage look much better than when you shot. Right, so without doing any delay, let's show where it's gonna be available. If you go right here, click here and then go in the effect. Right, type here WARP warp stabilizer. Right, warp under video effect. There is a warp stabilizer. What I have to do is just drag and drop. Okay guys, this is, so when you drop it, it's gonna tell you analyzing in background is step 1 of 2. Right, so what happens is it depends on your length of the video and the quality of the video and how sick it is. So it's gonna take a bit of time. My one is not too bad because it's not too long either, but if you have a lengthy video and very secky, or if you have a very high quality video, then it's just gonna take time because it's gonna analyze in the background and it's gonna do lots of work in the background. So guys, then another thing I'm gonna tell you today is when you apply this effect, don't apply to the many videos at the same time. What happens is if you apply this effect to 4 or 5 clips at the same time, then what happens is your work, your CPU work is gonna get too much at the same time, so your video get messed up. Right, your video might be sometime get some situation that you can't play, or your video gets out of nowhere. Right, so you'll have issues. I'm pretty sure I've done it before, and I'm not gonna do it again. So what happens is every time you need to fix your footage, apply this effect, just drag and drop, and usually the default setting will do all the jobs for you. You don't have to do anything, but if you want to change any settings, it's on the left hand side, warp stabilizer. All the settings is right here. Right, all the settings is whatever the settings you need is right here. If you try different, just play with it, go and have a play, have fun guys, and it's gonna tell you how much is remaining. It says 1 minute, pretty much 56% done, now 59% done. So it's gonna tell you how much is time remaining, but I'm gonna undo this for me because I'm not gonna wait. I've already done with this footage. So this is a footage guys with the good stabilization, and this is a footage with no stabilization at all because this is a bit sucky. So, and there is another way you can access this effect is right on top. There's effect control, you can click in there as well. You could work either way, it doesn't matter, it's the same thing guys, don't get confused, it's the same thing. All right, it's taking a bit of time, I'm not sure. Just takes time. This effect is a bit heavy, so yeah, there you go. So type it again, go to effect, the warp stabilizer, click, hold, and drop it right here. Drag and drop, guys. Drag and drop, nothing much, just drag and drop. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video guys, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and hit the bell icon and hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna be uploading more videos about Premiere Pro. I'm gonna be uploading more tricks. All right, I'm not gonna upload a whole lot of lengthy video about Premiere Pro, but I'm gonna show you a bit of tricks that's gonna help you in a long run, how to save your time when editing and how to make your footage much better to watch and pleasant. All right, goodbye guys, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.